Hello everyone, it's me Ben from Senior Computer Services International. I'm happy today to take you through how we can record expenses. How can we record expenses in QuickBooks? Recording expenses in QuickBooks is so easy. You have your QuickBooks and you have opened it. Just go to enter bills. When you go to enter bills, select your vendor. Let me say Masaka Office is our vendor. Then select an account where that is related to that expense. Let me say meals and entertainment. So that account is is where that expense is attached. That's where that expense is attached. So I have entered meals and entertainment. I put the amount as 3,000. That's the amount. So I can put lunch. Then if I have another expense, I save and new. If that's only the expense, then I click save and close. I can click save and new. So I come back again and I choose another expense. If the vendor is not there, I just click add new and I can say Radio Voodoo. Then I come Radio Voodoo Brody. Radio Voodoo Broadcasting. Services. Say Masaka. Then I save and close. So they are saying it's a vendor list. So that they are saying is there, but maybe is not active. So I can just come here to vendor. Then I click vendor center. Then I select all vendors. Then I come. Then I make the vendor active. After I can close here. For the case that the vendor is out, then I click and is advertisement and promotion. That's an account. Then I put how much I have paid. It is 200. And then I can click radio adverts. So I can then I save and new. Then I come. I can say Masaka Office. Then I come and I can say furniture and equipment. And I can say 100, depending on the then I say table completion is the memo. Table completion. And say reception. Table completion. transaction. Then if they are over, then I save and close. So when I enter bills, that bill is not reflected. I have to come and then I select and then I pay the selected bills. So the payment is now done. So I can proceed and then I make other payments or other sales and I continue. Thank you for your time. Have a nice time.